just putting out a very short video here. Another question that I got in one of my videos, I think I was talking about the oil cooler, and you know, folks right away are like, hey, that's not gonna work. We can't fit oil coolers in our cars. Not everyone, but there was at least a couple of those. And you know, in this channel, information and at least sharing my experience and what I know, what I've researched. And one place that I found a lot of good information is in some of the Facebook groups, which I was really kind of against, because I don't do social media that much. I mean, before I started this, I was just like, I was a hermit. About the oil system and about the upgrades to the oil cooler. These cars do have the ability to relocate the oil filter to where the old oil filter used to be on the K series engines of, like, I don't know if the 8th-gen Civics had the filter here, but I'll show you guys now what my plan is to make sure that the oil cooler fits and it works. So let me switch over to the other camera for that. Okay, so this rusty old thing is where your oil filter goes. So if you know how to do your oil changes, this should look familiar. And the issue is this has a lip here. So the bracket for oil coolers are usually flushed, and they need a flush mounting location. So a lot of people just remove this whole thing and cut this off right here. So you could do that. I saw a guy on YouTube, he actually did that, and it looks like it worked out pretty good for him. So, you know, it would be really awesome to see someone like, I don't know, K-Power or even Merc Racing, but there could be a need for making this simpler for some people who don't want to relocate their oil filter. But I think if you're doing, you know, an upgrade to the oil system in this car, you're most likely looking at relocating the oil filter anyways. So here's the bracket, how it fits in here. This is OEM. Just gonna drop it down. And right here on my left, I have a PRL block off plate. I probably should have gotten this when I ordered the K-Power Type S pump upgrade kit, but I didn't. It was an option for, I think, 45 bucks. I should have done it, but by the time I realized that existed, I had already ordered this from PRL. It looks like a very quality piece of machine. As you can see, this looks the same as this on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what it looks like mounted. I'm not going to actually install it. I'm just gonna put one nut through, and they do supply their very own other trucker. They supply their very own Allen bolts, which is nice. I'm actually feeling kind of lazy today, so this is why I am just doing this one-handed with the camera on the other side. I didn't feel like dealing with mounts and all that jazz today. So there you go. There's one. Two. And three. This would be a great place to put your oil. If you got an oil gauge, like an oil pressure gauge, this would be a good spot. But I think once you do this, the oil doesn't travel through here all that much anymore. So there you have it. This will block off any oil from leaving out of this direction. I've never used any product from PRL, so I'm excited to see how it works. Like I said, it looks like a quality piece of machinery. So then for the oil filter location, this is where the oil filter used to be, at least on my RSX, on my TSX motor. I already loosened all this stuff up, but you clean this up, and this is where now you put your sandwich plate from Mishimoto or from whoever you got your oil oil kit from, and that's basically it. So there you have it. I hope you found this helpful. I try to provide, you know, decent information to the car community. Don't forget, this Friday, October 9th, we're doing the live stream with Derek Robinson from Innovative Motorworks. It's confirmed. I talked to him over email. It's looking like 8 p.m. on Friday night. So for those of you who weren't aware, the time is set, 8 p.m. Friday night. Join us live, ask your questions. But that's it. Hit the like, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.